Very good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to tonight's week ahead video, where we'll be looking ahead at the chart, seeing what setups are in the making, and simply reporting those to you. And before I do that, we have to cover the risk warning. These products, such as CFDs, are inherently high risk that you use to get exposure to the FX markets. Synergy must be authorized and regulated to deliver this service, and ultimately, these trade signals don't provide you with a level of protection as a retail client because they're not personal recommendations. Right, let's start. So we had a good week overall. We really did. We had a good week. We had some really snappy trades on gold in the latter stage of the week. We had a loss on Euro GBP, which is right in front of us here. But we did really well on NZD USD, CAD CHF, GBP USD, Euro USD, gold. Yeah, so it's pretty good. We opened some new positions on USD CAD and AUD USD. Let's dive in. So as this is in front of us, Euro GBP, we'll see what happened. What I can see for sure is the market cycle. We've got the 1, the 2 peak on the way here, and we're expecting the same thing on the way up. So level 1, level 2. We are still expecting this higher. So I can still be right about the market cycle and get a trade wrong. Absolutely fine. As long as you're not risking varying sizes of positions on your account and you're keeping consistent, it doesn't matter to lose. It's fine. So what we have is the ABCD in blue at the bottom of consolidation 2, and we were starting to see the formation of this W. The safe entry is a close above here because you've had a change and a break, and you should see it. I'm still long here, but I got drawn in by this 1-2 formation. It gave me where I think I can recognize what was going to be. I thought here, we're off we go, we're off, but then it flipped round. It was really quite a move. If I go back to Tuesday, where that happened on the calendar, the economic calendar, let me just do this. So we go back to Tuesday. Tuesday was it was data in the UK, and it was USD data too. So yeah, that was a claimant count. So it was UK-based data led us up, and then I think it was some commentary led us lower. Either way, it's brought us lower, and I thought, there's a lot going for this trade. We had the first week, the second week, I saw a consolidation here and a consolidation here, and it just took it away. It looks like this move here was the move that could have continued, but it didn't, and that's it. So moving on, AUD CAD. Let's have a look. AUD CAD is a really nice example of the methodology. You can see the pattern here exactly, 1, 2, 1, 2, complete. We're looking for the same up to here, ultimately. So we can identify the component part W here, consolidation 1. It's in the form of a trap, false, real, in the form of higher highs and higher lows. We see a change and a break, 1, 2, 3. We're trading off the previous high at the minute. We can see 3 pushes up here. We're expecting the ABCD pattern to complete, A, B, C, D. The red ABCD pattern is completed. We're expecting consolidation zone here and a move higher. So that's what we're waiting for. We're long gone in this one. This is another stunner. We're in it. Well, actually, we're in it and exhausted the TP 1, 2, and 3. So it's gone past our TP 3, whichever that was. But it's a really fantastic example. You can see the harmonics in blue, 1, 2, 3. You can see the market cycle in red with the consolidation 1, 2. And you can see the number 3 in action. 3 pushes, 3 hits, 3 levels. Really nice change and a break. ADNZD, we're waiting for this guy to show us more. It's high, 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 low, high, 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 low. Even though within this higher high, high, and high, low, there is a lower high, lower low developing, but we're still within the range here. Break, retest, I'm in short. I want it short, but I'm waiting. ADUSD, this is one that we are in short. We're looking for harmonic patterns in line with the market cycle. This is the market cycle for me. Level 1, level 2, lower highs, notice, lower highs, notice, coming into some sort of inflection zone. It is an abstract Gartley, X, A, B, C, D at the 78.6%. We're in this area of the pattern. We expect lower prices. CAD CHF, we took this one long. This is an ABCD pattern in blue complete. We can see within this CD leg the market cycle lower. We're expecting a mirror image of that higher here. You can see between this range here and here, we've got the market cycle 1, 2, 3, and we're expecting a retest of this high 1, 2, 3. This is a trade that we took. This is a trade that we took basically, and it's really nice. And there is a good proponent for it. Level 1, 2, expecting higher prices on its way. CAD JPY, I'm not doing anything here because it's level 1, level 2, higher highs and higher lows off the 50 EMA, expecting higher prices basically. Has completed a massive ABCD pattern, but that massive ABCD pattern here, we're using it as an area of resistance. So all of this really is a consolidation zone, and yeah, it's not for me. But Euro AUD. Euro AUD is level 1, level 2, but within this level 2, we can see a head and shoulders pattern. So there's loads of liquidity, loads of people can see that. There's no doubt at all that millions of retail traders, certainly professional traders, see it. Retail traders absolutely seeing it. Newbies, that are looking at the textbook with head and shoulders pattern, that's it. They cracked the code. It's as easy as that. Shoulder, head, shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder. In the money, lads. Lots of people are short here, but the market cycle's pointing higher. So we do have a harmonic here. A, B, C, D. They won't be knowing about that. This is either 1, 2, and 3. We're going to have the bigger A, B, C, D lower, testing X. But so far, our trading range is between here and here. And we're coming towards the lower end of that range with an A, B, C, D. Higher, low, higher, low, higher, low, lower, high. Looks like a wedge. Expect a rise. Completed the A, B, C, D in red. It looks like an extension pattern at the minute. It's also absolutely possible that this is a consolidation zone itself, and this is the second consolidation zone. Either way, it's not clear enough to trade, so pass. Euro CAD. So Euro CAD, level 1 consolidation higher. It's the middle of the range and therefore not for me. Makes it 250-50-ish. Euro CHF, this is a stunning example of the market cycle, much like AUD CHF. You can see level 1, 2, and a 1, 2, 3. Notice the market cycle in the blue consolidation zones. Notice the number 3, 1, 2, and 3. And we are breaking out the trading range between here and here. And there's still more upside to play for. So we're looking for a retest and an entry. Looks really good. And I will be writing that. What's going on here? Excuse me 1 second. Okay, good. Sorry, my notepad had a bit of a meltdown moment. 1 second. Right, so I'm writing down Euro CHF because that looks like a bit of a priority for me. Bear with me. Sorry about this. Okay. Give me my life. Thank you. Okay, so Euro CHF longs retest entry. Next, Euro GBP went over at the beginning. Euro JPY is just an example of level 3 rising. We're at a double top potentially at the minute. Pattern's complete as far as I can see. We'll wait and see. Euro NZD, another favorite one. We can identify the cycle, level 1, level 2. Again, head and shoulders pattern. Shoulder, head, shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder, inverse the other way, shoulder, head, shoulder. Gets confusing. Anyway, this one has really taken a bit of a gripping. We've got the harmonic move here. This will be the first target. So I will be setting an alarm. I'll be looking for a bit of a market cycle entry, which I won't cover here because it's a bit detailed. Euro USD. So Euro USD, we caught this rise. This is level 1 consolidation. We're expecting higher prices. Originally, we were led to this area by the Gartley. There it is. Notice the CD leg in yellow was comprised of this ABCD. So this is just motoring along and we're in it. It's a really lovely pattern. Could have been a trap. It isn't a trap at the minute. We're trading at the previous highs. It could get interesting. But this is a lovely example of trading for me. This is really, really, really gratifying. Next. GBP AUD, this is one that we are in and we believe in because the market cycle's clear. Level 1, level 2. So we're in level 2 consolidation. We've been thrown a Gartley ABCD and we've taken it and we're just waiting. GBP CAD, we're in this as well off the back of a Gartley, high highs and high lows, waiting to break level 1 consolidation, expecting higher prices. GBP CHF, expecting higher prices like the CHF pairs. This is level 1 consolidation. We're expecting into level 2 rise, expecting higher prices. GBP JPY, level 3 rise, like all of the JPY pairs. We are expecting higher prices. GBP USD, this is another one we took a successful entry in. This is level 1 consolidation. Our entry was based on the lower time frame. Where's the pattern best seen? So we took entry around here. Is it around there? It was around there, early part of the week. Played out nicely, looking really, really nice. NZD CAD is just a beast now. It's on steroids. So it's gone from the problem child to the bodybuilding nutcase. Level 1, level 2, 2 levels lower, 3 pushes lower. This consolidation zone in the form of a trap false. This is level 1. Consolidate, you've got the W bottom here. You've got the 1 and you've got the repeat of this here again. So we are expecting higher prices. This is also, it's all fractal. So you've got the W here, level 1, level 2, level 3, and so on and so forth. Very bullish, looking really good. NZD CHF, breaking out the third zone of consolidation or the peak low, expecting higher prices. We are looking for a break and a retest here. I will set an alert. You always got to remember, no retest, no trade. That's my little thing. NZD JPY, beautiful thing, making new highs, level 3 rise, NZD JPY. NZD USD, we took this guy counter trend long, even though the pattern suggests short, because we understand our markets. We saw 1, 2, 3 lower and a double bottom. We also saw a Gartley X ABCD. This could give us another higher price before, maybe breaking these highs, but the pattern's low. Gold, we took a stunner on here. This is how I see it, level 1, level 2. We took a real corker of an entry. Fantastic trade. What else have we got? USD CAD, beautiful, beautiful thing as well. What have we seen here? Beautiful thing. So the market cycle is here. What have I done? Market cycle, level 1, level 2, nice and easy on the eye. We have seen a Gartley. So Gartley has been seen here. And we can see 2 levels. So level 1, level 2, and a Gartley. We expect higher prices, damn, yeah. USD CHF, just hanging around, it's just hanging around. It's hanging around at the peak of a pattern, shoulders, head and shoulders. So again, not for me. I'm not sure where this wants to go. There's plenty of other choice. So why would I risk my money in this? For me, yeah, it does look a bit, is it going to push higher? So there you have it, folks. If you have an interest in this type of trading, you mustn't hesitate to visit my personal YouTube channel, MelonsTrade. You will be able to join a personal Telegram service as well, where we're discussing trade ideas. And yeah, that's if you want to get away. But it's quite obviously we're dealing with a regulated service here, so we can't talk. It's not really the formal environment to talk. It's a bit of a formal environment, whereas it's more of a relaxed sort of guides and examples of how to trade these type of setups. So yeah, do check it out, and I wish you all the best. Thanks for watching. Cheers.